Welcome to today's video on the benefits of turmeric water at night. What if I told you there was a simple drink you could make tonight that could positively impact your life? This drink has been used for centuries to treat ailments and boost health, and it's made with just two simple ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. This is turmeric water, and tonight we'll explore 10 incredible benefits of drinking it before bed. But that's not all. We'll also show you how to make the perfect cup of turmeric water and share tips for maximizing its benefits. So, if you're ready to discover the power of turmeric water, grab a cup and join us on this enlightening journey. Just a quick reminder. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Let's explore the benefits of turmeric water one by one, starting with number 1, regulate blood sugar levels. Turmeric is a spice with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties used for centuries in traditional medicine. Recent research has shown that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, can help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. A study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that curcumin supplementation improved fasting blood glucose levels and insulin sensitivity in patients with type 2 diabetes. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that curcumin can lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose. Drinking turmeric water at night can be a simple and effective way to incorporate this beneficial spice into your diet, helping to reduce fasting blood glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can have long-term benefits for overall health. Next, number 2 improves brain function. Turmeric water has gained a lot of attention recently for its potential health benefits, particularly in improving brain function. Several studies have shown that curcumin can enhance cognitive function and memory and reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. A study in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin supplementation improved memory and attention in people with mild age-related memory loss. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation in the brain, which can impair cognitive function. It also increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes the growth of new brain cells and enhances synaptic plasticity. Drinking turmeric water at night can help you take advantage of the brain-boosting benefits of curcumin, so if you want to boost your brain power, give turmeric water a try tonight. Next, number 3 reduces anxiety and depression. I'm excited to share some fascinating insights on how turmeric water at night can help reduce anxiety and depression. Recent research has unveiled the incredible power of turmeric, a golden spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine. A groundbreaking study titled Curcumin in Antidepressant Treatments delves into the potent compound curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and neuroprotective properties, which work together to combat anxiety and depression. Additionally, turmeric contains over 100 other beneficial compounds, including turmerone and elamicin, which also contribute to these positive effects. Drinking turmeric water at night promotes the release of serotonin and dopamine, two neurotransmitters that regulate mood and sleep. This magical potion works as a natural antidepressant and improves sleep quality, which is essential for mental health. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is a powerful natural way to keep anxiety and depression at bay. So, don't wait any longer. Experience the remarkable benefits of turmeric and add a touch of golden goodness to your life today. Next, number 4, supports liver health. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice, is known for its powerful medicinal properties thanks to its unique compounds called curcuminoids. The most famous among them is curcumin, but other substances like dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin also play a significant role in supporting liver health. Recent research has shown that these compounds exhibit potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and hepatoprotective properties. A study published in the journal Antioxidants in 2020 revealed that curcuminoids help neutralize harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote the regeneration of damaged liver cells. Additionally, turmeric water at night supports the production of bile, crucial for breaking down fats and eliminating toxins from our body. A 2019 study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that turmeric extract can improve liver function by increasing bile production and flow. So, if you want to show some love to your liver, try having a glass of warm turmeric water before bedtime. Next, number 5, aids in weight loss. Turmeric water at night has become a popular weight loss remedy, and for good reason. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry in 2019 found that a compound called turmerone, in addition to curcumin, can help reduce fat accumulation and improve lipid metabolism. This means that drinking turmeric water at night may boost your body's ability to burn fat while you sleep. Moreover, a research article from the Journal of Functional Foods in 2018 highlighted that consuming turmeric can increase the production of bile in the liver, essential for breaking down fats. This promotes better digestion and aids in weight loss. So why not give turmeric water a try tonight? Next, number 6 relieves joint pain. Turmeric water at night can work wonders in relieving joint pain thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from curcumin, turmeric contains over 200 other unique compounds, including turmerones and gingerols, which also contribute to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. These compounds work together to inhibit the production of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines, which cause joint pain and stiffness. A recent study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2016 found that a combination of curcumin and essential turmeric oils provided better pain relief and improved joint function in people with osteoarthritis compared to curcumin alone. This golden elixir not only eases joint pain but also helps you sleep better thanks to its natural soothing effect on the nervous system. How to prepare turmeric water. And now, preparing turmeric water is very easy, and there are a few different methods you can use. Here are 2 simple ways to make turmeric water. Method 1. Turmeric powder and water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water. Instructions: in a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir well. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove any lumps or impurities. Pour the turmeric water into a cup and enjoy. You can also add a bit of honey, lemon or ginger to your turmeric water for extra flavor and health benefits. Just be sure to stir well before drinking. It's also a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you're taking any medications or have a medical condition. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the incredible benefits of turmeric water at night, we hope you feel inspired to give this powerful drink a try. From reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin to boosting brain function and aiding in weight loss, the potential benefits of turmeric water are numerous and impressive, but remember, turmeric water is not a miracle cure-all and should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment or advice. It's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed learning about turmeric water and that you found this video informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. As always, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.